Alright, in this video we're going to learn how to use your Contacts app. There's two ways to add a contact to your Contacts app. If you're billing a customer, if you're going to make a new invoice for a customer or client and it's the first time you're invoicing them, you can just click on the new invoice icon. That'll bring you to the customer screen in your Create an Invoice app, and as you can see, it's already pre-checked to add this to your contact list, so you just need to fill out your information for that contact, and if they have a shipping address, of course, then you can click that button and fill all that in. When you're done filling that in, go ahead, finish making your invoice, save it, and that customer will be added to your contacts list. So let's go back to our home screen then and look at our Contacts app. The other way to add a contact to your Contacts app is to just click the Add Contacts icon, and that brings you to a screen where you can enter their address and contact information again, save that, and they're added to your Contacts app. So now let's go over and find and load a contact. We'll click our Find Contacts icon. This brings up this simple screen. All we need to do to find a contact is just type in a few letters of their name. So we've got a few contacts in here that we sell widgets to. So we're going to type in a W, and there's all of them that have widgets. That W shows up. If that W is in any contact's name, it'll show them on this list. So if we just type in then a K, you'll see that Kirbyville widgets comes up, and if we type in A, American widgets come up. Alright, so let's take a look at Kirbyville widgets. From the list, we'll type in the W. From the list, we want to select the contact that we want to load, and then click the load button, and this brings up that contact's information. So now, if you're on a smartphone and you tap this phone number, it'll dial their phone number for you. And if you're on a tablet, or your desktop PC and you have Skype loaded, installed, then it'll launch Skype or whatever other app you might have that's like that. And then of course if you tap the email address, it will launch your email app and pre-configure an email with that address ready for you to send for them. You also have this notes thing that you can use, and that lets you just keep some notes about your client. And if you want to keep those hidden while you're using this, you can do that. That's great for just putting in little comments, maybe putting their birthday in there to send them a note, and that kind of thing. So from there, all right, on your contact screen, you have these choices up here. You can create a new invoice for that contact. Click that, and your from address on your invoice is pre-filled. Your customer's address is pre-filled. This invoice is almost done before you even started. All you have to do is select your options, change anything you want there if you want to, and then go onto your item list and fill out your billable items and save that invoice, and you're out of there. You're done. So let's go back and we'll load up our Kirbyville widgets contact again, and look what else we've got. Okay, so you can create an invoice there. You can create a report for this contact. When we click on this report tab, it brings up this date range report screen. Works just like the reports that you get for your income reports when you do that with the search engine for invoices. So anyway, if we leave this set at the defaults, we'll just create a report here. You can change those just like you could the other ones. So we'll click on this report button, and this brings up our income report for Widgets Incorporated. It shows our total billed, our total tax, our total shipping, our total collected, our total due. And then it gives us the invoices that are included in that report. And again, we've got a link here under the Edit Document column where we can click that to go edit this invoice. And we've got some information that comes up on the tooltips here. Go to the contact screen for this customer, client. It shows us the date that invoice was made, whether it's been paid, where their email has been sent, and then a delete link for that as well. Okay, so let's go back now to our contact info screen. We've got a tab here that allows us to edit all their info, and a save button down below in case we've made any changes to that. We want to save it. And then we've got a delete contact link that lets us delete that, and again, if you click OK, that contact is gone forever. Their invoices will still be in there if you've made any, but their contact record will be gone. Okay, I think that's everything you need to know about your Contacts app. Our next video, we'll go over our Notes app and check that out. Thank you.